Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a PDF in Notion. So simply open your Notion application and go to the page where you want to add your PDF, and in the back on the left side in this plus icon, simply tap on here and type here slash and file, and in here you can choose a file and upload the file. Basically, there's the one way, and the other one is simply tap on this plus icon again and type here slash and embed. In here, you can embed a link, or you can choose this option upload, and here choose a PDF file. So this is our embed PDF file. And the benefits is whenever you add an embed, you can always look that where's the PDF file. So that's the process, and the process is really easy. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any problems, and keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.